everyone, Dr. Sarah here, and today we have a very cute and amazing FMG aspirant who has now become a doctor clearing the Jan 2025 FMG examination. Dr. Trishali,
Yeah,
welcome and congratulations.
thank
So,
you, ma'am.
so can you please tell us how you are feeling right now?
I'm in cloud nine actually. So I'm feeling so good. I'm really happy. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your inspiration, also for your motivation, and I'm very thankful to Arise.
I'm very happy to know that. Can you give us a formal introduction about yourself?
Yes, ma'am. I'm Dr. Sunkari Trishali, and I studied in ISM. I joined in Arise after that. Uh, for the first, I started studying in third year, ma'am. In the fifth year, I think, Arais Khalil sir came and said all about the subjects, everything. So we went to the classes, every classes I attended, every classes, and after finishing class, also I used to come home and I used to revise everything on that day only. And Khalil sir motivated us, and we're happy to be like here, being called as doctor, ma'am.
So tell me about the day on the exam. See, even though the percentage is 28,
Yeah.
almost 30, so many students said that the paper was very tough. So
Yes, ma'am.
tell me about it, Doc.
I also felt very tough. Actually, I was very nervous on the exam on the day. But in the morning, paper one, I felt it's very tough and it's very integrated. But
Hmm.
I was very worried about paper one, and I got so many PSM questions like calculations, and my calculator is also not working properly.
In the
And
exam hall.
yes, in exam hall, that multiplication is not working properly, and I was very worried. I just kept some answer, random answer, like option C, as Priyansh Jain sir said, choose answer C. And after that, in the afternoon section, I think it's doable. It's easy compared to the paper one. I was happy with paper two compared to as paper one.
You were able to manage.
Yes, yes,
Now your juniors are going to write the June, July examination,
yes, ma'am.
6 months.
Hmm.
What advice would you like to give them, since now you know how the paper is exactly?
Yes, ma'am. Actually, my two brothers are cousins are studying in Kyrgyzstan only, in ISM only. So for them also, I want to give suggestions like first to do major subjects like obs gynae, surgery, PSM, and medicine. Mainly these four subjects, and also finish all the subjects like build up a basic things. I finished all the subjects like I touched every subjects, so it's good if they studied all that subject and build up their basic things. And after coming here, if they join Arise online or offline, I will say maybe it's offline if it is good, because I studied it's offline, so I felt
You
it's good, ma'am.
studied in offline Hyderabad.
Yes, ma'am. In Medipatnam only I studied. I felt it's good. You are also there. You make us. It's very easy thing. General patho. I used to love your mnemonics, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
No, I'm happy to know that, Doc. Tell
Yes,
me, how was the journey, the 6 months journey? How was offline coaching like? How was
yes.
it, all of this?
Actually, I'm a person like not studying like 24 hours. It's not the thing for me. I used to enjoy more than studying, but it's like, okay, I used to study now for 6 months. I should do it, and to make my family proud, and they kept so many hopes on me, so I thought I should give this time my 100%. And it's in the offline, Khalil sir helped us like how to study, and Nadim sir also helped us. And I like this Azam sir teaching also, and my favorite is Salman sir also. Everyone, ma'am. I like Sandeep sir also, like Opta ma'am. Everyone helped us so lot. They inspired us so lot, ma'am. I'm very happy.
What subject were your strongest? Like out of all the 19 subjects, what do you think? Which
Yes,
were
ma'am.
your strong?
I'm very strong at obs and gynae. I study like many times, like more compared to all 19 subjects. I'm very strong at obs and gynae, and I don't know, I love dermatology, but it's the lowest scoring subject, I think. But in this exam also, we got so many questions in derma.
In Derma.
Yes,
Hmm.
ma'am. Like it's good.
Integrate.
Yeah,
Yeah.
everything is integrated notes. So I like her
Mm.
more.
Gayatri ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
What about the mock test? How many mock tests did you give, doc?
Like 7 to 10, ma'am.
You
Um,
gave 7 to 10 mock.
yes, ma'am. And I used to do like more questions. I used to do like in Instagram also. I used to see some questions, some random one-liners. Like I used to follow every doctor their pages, and I used to do in that questions also. I will do, and also I'll follow this Arise app, ma'am. So whatever the
Mm.
topic I learned, I will do on that day only. That I'll finish that
The Q bank.
MCQs. Yes, Q bank. And also I gave maximum Arise GTs only, and I used to review on that day only what I wrote in that day. Test and discussions I also attended. At the end of the day also, I'm there in the classroom only, ma'am. Like one day before exam also, I'm there in classroom. I'm not. I didn't take also this library. I used to study 24 hours in. I was
The
like in
classroom
class
itself.
only. Yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Because I think the classroom is open till
Yes, yes. Like
like
till one.
throughout, right?
Yes, ma'am. Like one, it's
1
open.
a.m. they keep the
One.
class. So tell me about the last month. How did you were able to do, see, you were able to do last month there were TNDs,
Yes,
FTR, QRP. Did you attend all of these?
yes, ma'am. I attended all the QRPs, and I followed them. Mainly Nadim sir's QRPs. It's very helpful, and Priyansh Jain sir also. Surgery, Nadim sir said very well, ma'am. So I used to
Mhm.
follow only his notes, and also what I studied in normal class also. I used to revise that.
That's good. That's very good.
Yes, ma'am.
So how many revisions would you tell your juniors to do? Like since they
Math,
are yeah.
like in ISM only, I used to study like 3 revisions what they said. We used to revise all day. So maximum I covered there, studying there and coming here, like same teachers are teaching, so it's easy for me. I did like 4 to 5 revisions properly.
And how many questions per day did you do? Like, tell me, as an FMG aspirant, what was your daily schedule like?
Like me and my best friend, like I have best friend, like she's the best thing happened to me in the 6 months. Like Snehita, me and she like used to do timetables. We both are like whatever we do, we'll do it together. So we used to wake up at 5 a.m, ma'am, and we used to sit for 3 hours. We used to study, and also we will go to breakfast and come again, we study, and we do lunch. Again we study.
So how many questions were you doing?
Like 150 to 200 questions, ma'am.
200
Yes,
daily.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Well, maximum will do, and also I'm doing in Instagram also, ma'am.
You got a habit of doing
Yes,
questions.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. It's important, I think, now in this pattern.
Mhm.
Questions, doing questions is very important. So we
No,
will know the topics. We'll know the PYQs. I used to do PYQs also. Yes, ma'am.
What do you think? Studying alone is good or with a friend, group study?
Like sometimes it's good, and but we used to revise together mostly. Like I can remember more time if we discuss
You're with
together.
your
Yes, ma'am.
personal choice, I
Yes,
think.
yes. It's depend on them. Yes, ma'am.
She
She also
also cleared,
passed. Yes,
right?
yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
yeah. See, that's what I think you're teaching. Company matters a lot.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Tell me if you were to go back 6 months, okay? Tell me what would you tell yourself, don't do this. What mistakes would you try to avoid if you were going to
I
give
will.
the
Yes, ma'am. I didn't studied a lot, I feel. So I will study more than this. I'll do more revisions. I didn't do questions there. I should have started doing questions before only. I did
like
that
your
mistake.
college?
Yes, 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 ma'am.
So basically what you're saying is starting early helps.
Yes, yes, ma'am. It really helps. So
You would have asked yourself to do questions before.
questions more and revise more, and build a basic more, and not like more enjoying. Should study also.
No,
Yes.
but I think, see, you enjoyed and you studied and you
Yes.
passed. One last mentions that you want to give to the people who are around you. Any mentions that you have?
Like
whoever.
I'll say thank you to everyone, like Khalil sir, Nadeem sir, you, every teacher that helped me a lot, and my friends, closed ones, my family, my sister, she also helped me a lot. I used to cry sometimes, like I can't do it, but she used to like, if it is not this time, you can do next time. So don't worry, don't be like this. So she used to motivate me more. Actually, she's here, ma'am. She want to say hi.
Please, please, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Hi, Sarah ma'am.
Hello, hello.
How are
So
you?
you're so good. I'm very happy, and I'm so happy to see how happy you are for your sister.
Yeah, we are very happy for her, and you people guided her. It's like we are very happy for you and her friends, everyone. We are so thankful for you.
No, no, we are also. We have such. I know her so well, and
Yeah,
it's a beautiful, blessed thing to see somebody who was a student to sit here and be your colleague. We are now colleagues.
yeah. Happy for her.
That's what she's a doctor now. We're so proud of her.
Yeah, even we are very proud of her. She's so annoyed, and she's not doing well. Like past 1 week, when she wrote her exam, she came and she is doing. I don't know whether I did it very well or not. I said you will get through this. You will have this. Don't worry. You're very good to go. Why are you always feeling that you didn't did right? So then she's like, okay, let me go through this. Then I was like, if it's not the time, you'll do it next time. You can do whenever. We are there to support you. So don't worry. And you people supported them, and we are happy for you
I,
people and
I
her.
think,
My
Yeah.
mom want to say hi, ma'am. Just
yeah,
say
yeah,
hi.
yeah, please, please.
Hi,
Hi,
madam. How are
Auntie.
you?
Namaste. Namaste.
Thank you,
Love
thank
you too
you.
much. Congratulations.
Thank you, madam. Thank you your support, madam.
No,
My
no,
chief.
always, always. We are always going to support. Thank you so much. Doc, I just want to ask you one thing. In
Yeah.
this 6 months, there are always going to be highs and lows, right?
Yes, ma'am.
How did you manage that? It's so hard. This exam is, I think it breaks you.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you manage that stress? How did you manage that depression, that anxiety?
Yeah, ma'am. I used to have, but not like more. I'm not like person like feeling very low and very high. I kind of manageable, ma'am. But
But
my
if
family
your
family only
family
motivated
help,
me, and my best friend, I said na, Snehita, she also motivated me. We used to be together, and we together motivated us. So I think it's good.
for your juniors as well, whenever they are feeling anxiety, what advice would you give?
uh Talk to your family, talk to your closed ones, who will make you feel calm, and don't stress. Like watch a movie. If you're not feeling that good, watch a movie, go for a movie, but after that you restart it. But they should restart back and hit hard. That's it, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Doc. It was a pleasure talking to you. Seriously, it feels so good to see you here, and I am so happy. Thank you so much, Doc.
Thank you, ma'am. It's pleasure to see you also. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.